This is CNN.
CNN Overnight continues. Good morning. I'm Dave Michaels in Atlanta. A major snowstorm has walloped much of the Midwest. Up to 9 inches of snow fell in Detroit Tuesday during the city's worst storm in 10 years. Schools were closed in Michigan and 7 other states. The snow is linked to 13 deaths in Michigan, Oklahoma, Missouri, and Indiana. A mild earthquake measuring 3.5 in the Richter scale hit Coalinga, California Tuesday night. No injuries or damage reported. 18-year-old John Thompson is in serious but stable condition following surgery to reattach both his arms. They were torn off in an accident on his family's North Dakota farm Saturday. Thompson phoned for help by clenching a pencil between his teeth and punching numbers on a touch-tone phone. Walter Matthau and Vanna White join Larry King live as CNN Overnight continues.